Alright, hey everyone, welcome back to Piece by Piece Mosaic. This channel is all about mosaic art, tools, techniques, and tutorials to help you create your own mosaics. Today we're going to be talking about something that can completely change the look of your finished mosaic, and that is grout color. Most beginners focus a lot on tiles, the colors, the shapes, the patterns, but what many people don't realize is that the grout color can dramatically change the final appearance of the entire mosaic. The exact same mosaic can look bold, soft, dramatic, or even completely different just by changing the grout color. So in this video, I'm going to give you some examples and show you how black grout, gray grout, and white grout affect the mosaic and when you might want to use each one. When you grout a mosaic, you're filling all the small gaps between the lines. Once the grout goes in, it actually becomes a major visual element of the design. So when you grout a mosaic, you're filling in all the small gaps between the tiles. Once the grout goes in, it actually becomes a major visual element of the design. Think of grout like the background or outline of the artwork. Here I've glued these iridescent blue tiles to this bamboo colored coaster, and you can see the background right through the gaps. So think of grout like the background or the outline of the artwork. It can either make each tile stand out, help the tiles blend together, create contrast, or give the mosaic a softer, unified look. Choosing the right grout color is just as important as choosing the tiles. Let's start with black grout. Black grout creates very strong contrast, especially if you're using lighter colored tiles. It outlines each tile clearly and makes the shapes very visible. This can make a mosaic look bold, graphic, and dramatic. I haven't used too much black grout, but I have used some charcoal gray grouts, dark gray, almost black. Black grout is great for mosaics where you want the individual pieces to stand out, or the design relies on clear shapes and patterns. For example, black grout works really well on bright, colorful tiles, glass tiles, white or light ceramic tiles, geometric patterns, and pixel-style mosaics. It gives the mosaic a very defined and structured look. But one thing to keep in mind is that black grout will highlight every grout line. So if your spacing between tiles is uneven, it can make those imperfections more noticeable. So in my example of my iridescent blue tiles, this is what it looks like with no grout. And this is what it's going to look like with black grout. You see the difference? I can see the difference. You can clearly see the outlines of each tile. You can see the gaps. And because these tiles are somewhat lighter, it really creates a nice border and edge effect. You see that? Hopefully you can see that on camera. Next is gray grout, which is probably the most commonly used grout color, and it's the one I use most often. Gray grout sits right in the middle visually. It doesn't create strong contrast of black, but it also doesn't disappear like white sometimes can. Because of that, gray grout gives mosaics a balanced and natural look. It helps tie everything together without overpowering the design. Gray grout works really well with mixed tiled colors, natural stones, ceramic tiles, recycled china mosaics, and detailed artworks. It tends to look clean, neutral, and professional, which is why it's often used in both art mosaics and architectural installations. Another advantage of gray grout is that it hides dirt and discoloration better than white grout, which makes it practical for things like tabletops, backsplashes, or outdoor pieces. I've used a lot of gray grout in my artworks here. So these were done with gray grout. I use that the most. Here's our coaster with the iridescent blue tiles with no grout. And now, here it is with gray grout. It looks more smooth and more natural. And now if we contrast that with the black grout, you ready? You can see the exact same tiles, but two different grouts changes the look. So you have to really be sure about which grout color you want. Finally, we have white grout. White grout creates a very clean and bright look, and it can help mosaics feel softer and more balanced. Instead of outlining every tile, white grout tends to blend pieces together visually if you're using lighter colored tiles. This can make mosaics feel more subtle, elegant, or delicate. White grout works well with white or pastel tiles, floral mosaics, decorative wall art, broken china mosaics, and light colored designs. It can give the piece a very classical and refined appearance. And now here's the same tiles with white grout. You see the difference? The downside is white grout can show stains or discoloration more easily, especially in kitchen bathrooms or outdoor installations. A helpful trick before grouting is that Before you grout, you can simulate the grout lines. You can do this by placing dark or light paper between tiles, or even editing a photo of your mosaic to test different grout colors. This can give you a good idea of how the final piece might look before you actually grout it, because once a grout goes in, it's very difficult to change the color. Again, here's our tiles without grout. And now if I can somehow hold all these together, you will see how everything looks different depending on the grout colors. So the same colors, the same size, has a huge difference. The grout color has a huge impact on the look of your finished mosaic. So just to summarize, black grout, it's really strong contrast, it's bold and graphic and makes the shape stand out. Gray grout is more of a balanced and neutral look and works with almost any mosaic. It hides dirt and imperfections better, and it's good for using outdoors. White grout has a soft and blended appearance, clean and elegant look, and it's best for lighter color designs. Grout color is one of those small decisions that can make a huge difference in the finished mosaic. The same tiles can create completely different visual effects depending on whether you choose black, gray, or white grout. If you're experimenting with mosaics, try testing different grout colors on small pieces first. Here I only showed you white, gray, and black, but you can get so many different colors of grout. In fact, you can actually buy pigments that you can mix into the grout to change it to virtually any color you want. Or, how I showed you in my grouting video, you can even customize your grout colors using acrylic paint. Grout color is one of those small decisions that can make a huge difference in the finished mosaic. The same tiles can create completely different visual effects depending on whether you choose black, white, or gray. If you're experimenting with mosaics, try testing different grout colors on smaller pieces. It's one of the best ways to learn how it can change the appearance of the final artwork. If you enjoyed the video and you want to learn more about mosaics, techniques, tools, and beginner tips, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And if you have any video ideas, drop them in the comments below and I'll definitely make the video about whatever you ask, as long as it has to do with mosaics, of course. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.